I'm Mandy. I'm on Instagram at MandyBars, which is like candy bars, but with an M instead of a C. I am from the US. I am on the East Coast. And I've been cosplaying for 9 years. Yeah, it's 2020. My first con was New York Comic Con in 2011. I had a really bad cosplay. Don't want to talk about it. But seeing other cosplayers inspired me to get into it and step up my game. And now I can't imagine my life without cosplay. My advice for first timers or people who want to get into cosplay is to work with what you know. Like, if you know how to sew already, that's great. If you know how to work with certain materials already, use that to your advantage, and then build up your skill set from there. It took me a while to start using new materials and getting comfortable with them. Another piece of advice I have is to not let anybody stop you from cosplaying a certain thing or from a certain fandom. You should cosplay whoever you want, regardless of your gender, your height, your weight, your skin color. Cosplay is for fun, and it's a creative outlet. Don't let people tell you what to do. And you don't have to look like the character to cosplay them and look amazing. Thank you, Cosplay.Artists, for featuring me. Go follow them and give them a like if you haven't already. And catch me on Instagram at MandyBars and at a convention if you see me. Bye!